The rebirth of iron and steel through fire originates from the escort of top turnkey projects. As a one-stop solution supplier for iron and steel projects, SNG empowers green metallurgy with cutting-edge equipment. Now, let's follow the camera to directly witness the shocking section steel production site. As the footage begins, powerful magnetic chucks and heavy-duty grabs accurately sort and feed various types of scrap steel and furnace charges into giant charging baskets. The heavy-duty crane lifts the charging basket full of furnace burden, moves it to the ultra-high power electric arc furnace, and the furnace gate opens slowly. Then the furnace lid opens. Once the charging basket is accurately positioned, its bottom door opens abruptly, and a massive amount of scrap steel pours into the furnace. The scene resembles a volcanic eruption, instantly sending a fire pillar soaring more than 10 meters high. The charging basket withdraws rapidly, and the heavy furnace lid rotates back into place. The graphite electrodes lower to strike an arc, and high temperature quickly melts the scrap steel into molten steel. To eliminate the risk of boiling and splashing caused by sudden cooling, the ladle is first preheated at high temperature. Upon completion of preheating, a heavy-duty crane smoothly lowers the ladle onto a rail-mounted transfer car. The transfer car then moves to the bottom of the electric arc furnace and stands by. The tapping mechanism opens abruptly. In an instant, dazzling pure molten steel surges out, igniting a brilliant blaze. The scorching stream pours continuously into the ladle with irresistible force. Immediately after, the transfer car fully loaded with molten steel smoothly drives into the continuous casting bay. The heavy-duty crane stably lifts the ladle and accurately places it on the large ladle turret. Pure molten steel flows smoothly through the ladle shroud, passes through the tundish submerged entry nozzle, and is poured into the water-cooled mold. The scorching continuous casting billet is smoothly drawn out like a giant lava python. The high-efficiency 6-strand continuous caster operates in coordination, greatly improving steel production efficiency. The intelligent flame-cutting machine performs synchronous tracking, and with the spraying of intense flames, accurately cuts the hot billet into 5-meter sections to length. Then comes hot rolling. The red-hot billet travels along the heavy-duty roller table directly to the rolling line and enters the too-high reversing rolling mill. Under enormous rolling force, the steel is repeatedly compressed and extremely stretched, completing its transformative forming. It then enters the universal rolling mill stand, where the horizontal and vertical roll systems engage in coordination, achieving multi-dimensional controlled rolling and precise forming of section steel. Red-hot section steel is fed into the walking beam cooling bed, where it undergoes controlled slow cooling, phase transformation and sizing via fine water mist spraying. Subsequently, the cooled section steel is steadily fed into a multi-roll straightening machine. The straightened section steel is grouped and slid into the cold sawing line, where heavy-duty saw blades cut with a roar to accurately complete fixed-length cutting. The intelligent stacking arm stacks the section steel in a matrix arrangement. It then slides into the automatic bundling line, and the finished section steel with high strength fastening is steadily transferred to the shipping area. Scrap steel reborn through green intelligent manufacturing. With top-tier turnkey projects, SNG rebuilds steel production lines for you. Choose SNG. Live up to your trust.